Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I am Man Kaswala and you are watching Man the Code, and today we are going to create a website. So let's go to www.sites.google.com. I will search the full link. So let's create a blank. You will click on blank but I will not. I will go to this website. Let me do everything unnecessary. Change image. 1 second. No, let me create a new website so I can tell you fluently. So we created a new website and let's add a text. Sorry. Okay, let's make it a middle and we will type here top 10, let's take 15 facts. Okay, I typed. Now I will make it a middle. Done. Now we doesn't like the background, so we can put also a GIF. Let's search for a GIF. Let's take facts. We got this, but what's this? Okay, let's take this. Let's look good. So now we will take this. Now we will go to our next tab and search for top 100 facts, because we will like some and we will take the rest of them. So let's see the first. Victorians once used leeches to predict the weather. Okay. Your funny bone is actually a nerve. The chief translator of the European Parliament speaks 32 languages fluently. So let's take this because I like it. Let's take Control C and Control P. Okay. Now let's take out the rest of part. And we will make this font to be 30 and sorry, not looks good, 18, same size man, 24. Oh, and change the text color to purple and let's delete this and add image. Upload, sorry, not upload. We will select the image and go for a Google image search, and then we will search for let's say search for translator, only translator. Sorry for the background noise. Only a translator. Let's take this and make it big and done. So now we will take another and let's take another fact. The most requested funeral song in England is by Monty Python. Who is Monty Python? Research shows that all blue-eyed people may be related. Charles Darwin's personal pet tortoise didn't die until recently. The average person will spend 6 months of their life waiting for red lights to turn green light. Okay, it's fact, interesting fact, but it doesn't mean that that is right or wrong. Oh, it's okay. Let's copy all and make it some like 24 and change the text color to this and take out this and let's delete it. Let's select the image for search for traffic lights. Then traffic light, let's take this because it's nice. Don't want, okay, it will work. Okay, now you can make more facts from this and take this and take anyone like this, like David Bowie helped topple the Berlin Wall. Phobia is the word for the irrational fear of being happy. It's nice fact. You can add. You can add anything you like, and more than 100,000. You can add how much you want. So thanks for watching. Bye.